How you guys doing? You guys good? Welcome, Nico. My man's here first today. Hope you're doing well, man. Welcome to the chat. Hopefully we catch some pips here today. I just want to adjust my mic here. That random kid, yo. Mastery Manifest gang. Welcome, man. Hope you're doing good, man. Hope you're doing good. Jason, yo, Jivy. Jason, long time, man. Been a very long time. Lucretia, what's up, everyone? All is well, man. Hope you're doing good, man. Hope you're doing good. I just gonna set up everything here quickly. We can see. Oh, guys. We have something interesting playing out here at the moment. Crash 1000 at this fair value gap we marked out yesterday, which we said we want to execute around this level. Before we enter, we do have some time. This pair moves very slow, so there's no need to rush into it. There's really no need to rush into it. So we can see currently the Asian low has been swept, Asian high also slightly taken out. So it looks like a seek and destroy over here. Hey. But let's get it. So we can see currently price has taken out the Asian range over here. So I will actually, what I did yesterday was I secured some partials over here at the weekly open once we hit that level there last night. Secured some partials, and now I'll be looking to execute another position, smaller lot size, but with the same idea to basically. I'll pick up my gang messages in the morning. Jaden, yes I did. I must just get back to everyone. I told Lucretia the same thing. When it comes to that, like the main thing you guys have to understand as our clients as well, the last thing I want to do is give you a half-assed answer or just tell you, oh hey bro, good job. You know, no, I want to actually like look at your analysis, really look at what you how you perceived it and your reasoning for entering that trade and so forth. You understand what I'm trying to say? So yeah, man. I just want to do a small little something here. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna execute long. Just in time. Now I'm literally gonna put my stop slightly below. So if this position hits break even, I'm fine with that. So this one just slightly below that low basically. So 15 pips. And the idea here basically, let me just do this. Let me just do this. And the idea behind this trade will be basically in the 4 hour. I just want to look at the structure here real quick. So break below, price hitting that level over there. So so one concern with this is, not concern, I do want to see it retrace all the way before actually having price move to the downside. However, if we look at structure over here, we can see that price has reacted off the supply over here. However, if I look at it from a premium discount standpoint, I wouldn't sold it. Even if it was a boom pair, I wouldn't have sold at that level, you know. So yeah, just my reasoning behind it. So initially from there, I'll actually be targeting this high over here. So like 119 pips. 119 pips. So that was quick. We literally came into the session and the market's at our zone, so that's good. It's good. Okay, let's look at our other base and see what's clapping over there. So boom 1000 yesterday coming towards this high. Let me just double check when exactly that happened. Yeah, it was this morning during Asian session when price has traded up towards this high. No, it was yesterday. My bad. It was yesterday. Oh, Asian high all the way up there untested. Now, my reasoning behind this also here is basically, okay, so you gotta bear with me here. Price came into the zone. It basically flipped from supply to demand. So we can see over here we had the reaction. Price basically then broke above this level over here. Sorry, you guys can't see that far. That high over there. Price broke above it, so forming a higher high, meaning that there was now demand in control. Let me just quickly do this. There we go. So with that said, you can see when price came into that zone again, price gave you some sort of reaction, but price then failed to basically push towards the upside. So meaning price has then flipped into supply once again. So with that said, we can now see this level as supply, and almost likely look for inverse fair value gap. So Tamsanka, yeah, you can still enter if you want, if you'd like to. I mean, price is literally still at entry point. The thing, what I always tell people is, if I enter a trade, for instance, let's say I entered here, the market does this, and now we have some drawdown. If I'm not halfway to my stop yet and so forth, you can still enter, because then you have a better risk to reward, if that makes sense. But I never advise people to per se enter. Our disclaimer in the beginning of the stream also states that nothing here is investment advice. I'm just doing what I'm doing, and you guys probably like watching me do what I do. That's why you guys are here. But yeah, you can still enter. But also, if you look at it from the standpoint of risk to reward, you can see the stop is 15 pips. So right over there, that is a 1-to-1. So as long as price is still below that 1-to-1. So let me just quickly mark that out as well for the guys who trade 1-to-1s. There's the 1-to-1 gang. That's also why I love trading crash and boom, because there's no reason to rush into any trades. Yo, Jivon means a Motive Hub. Welcome, man. Welcome. Jason, where have you been, man? You've been quiet. Where have you been? So just an idea there of the risk to reward level we're looking at. But yeah, like I said, with that said on boom, here's a supply, and then inside it here we have a fair value gap. So I would look to enter most likely in this fair value gap once price comes back up to this high. That is boom 1000 right there. I just need to double check something, something's wrong. So right over there is the Asian range. Asian low taken, Asian high not swept yet, which is also something to just be mindful of. Let me just quickly put this on the 50-point level. So there you can see basically we have some sort of confluence, so we can look what price does once we get to that point. Hey Max, how you doing, man? Long time as well. Yo, I really need to get myself a proper chair, because this couch is killing my back. I'm gonna look like the hunchback of Notre Dame. Boom 500, almost coming back towards this level which we have drawn out over here yesterday. So it'll be interesting to see what type of reaction we have once we get to this level. So also you can see Asian low was slightly swept, but initially the bigger move was towards the Asian high. I missed the morning sessions. Yo, Max, my mornings have been difficult. But I spoke to Michaela about it as well. Or let me put it this way: Michaela lectured me, and she said to me that I must stop fucking around and actually stream in the mornings. So we're gonna make some sacrifices, and then we're gonna see how it plays out. You know, also spotting something interesting here on Boom actually. Nice little tight and fair value gap over here. So very interesting. Nice to see what the price does once you get to that level. So that's Boom 500. Let me just save this analysis. Let me basically save it. Often but is it because of work, Max? I'm assuming it's because of work, eh? Babe? I thought the missus called me. Yo, Crash 500. Yeah, look at this, guys. Last night, yesterday, we wanted to enter and the price stopped us. And then last night I entered here. With what was it? Yeah, this was here yesterday. I entered with you guys on Discord. We just stopped there minus 10, minus 11. I re-entered again around this point. Price ran nicely, broke above this red line. That's when I went break even. Then it got stopped at break even. I waited again for my next zone. Price came to this point, almost hit my TP, and then a stop again. So that kind of sucked. And now look where it's trading at. So sometimes these things happen. It's beyond our control. But it seems like price is ready to start moving. Let me just show you guys on the 4 hour. Picking up the kids and dropping off. Mom's taxi. I will say though, I always, growing up, because my mom has license, but she never drives. She bumped the car once, and she's like, she's never gonna drive again. But I always admire that growing up, like, because my mom only got a license when I was in high school. So then, like, growing up, like, as a kid, like, seeing other kids' moms pick them up, I wouldn't say I was jealous, but it was always like, it was always so cool to actually witness that, man. So, respect to you for that. Okay, so on the 4 hour here on Crash 500, here's my other concern now. So you can see a massive wick. So I always tell you guys, I always want to see clean breaks above or below levels, whether it's on a higher or lower time frame. That's where I can actually determine what price wants to do. So the way I see it, I don't see this as a full break of structure. However, if you go to the 50-minute chart now, if you go to the 15-minute, you will see that price actually did break above this level. Price did break below this level, forming a lower low, leaving this high. But then price went all the way back up. Instead of price continuing pushing to the downside, price actually traded back to the upside, and then leaving us with that move. So now, if we put our fib on here, the question is, will it make a full 4 hour candle now when it trades to the downside, or will we actually see price push up? But initially from here, we can see we have an institutional point of 42.50. So with that said, we can also see slightly below it, we have this level of demand. And then we have the fair value gap inside of it. So this is a zone I would consider potentially entering from as well, purely based on the fact that we had a closure. Purely based on the fact that we had a closure below the 4 hour, we didn't have a clean closure on the 4 hour where we had a wick. Okay, that is boom 5, sorry, crash 500. Let's see our other pairs real quick. Okay, so boom 500 moving towards this high up here. So we'll see what happens when price hits that point. But initially, I expect price to continue selling off, potentially towards this demand zone down here. So let me just measure that out. That will be about, say, about 95 pips. Not bad, not bad. Still good in my book. Still good in my book. Let's just see crash 300. And then we can have a look at what's happening in the terminal as well. Oh, crash 300. Now I'm not gonna get involved here. I want to see price take out these lows. I want to see price take out these lows. I don't trust this. I don't trust this. Okay, let me immediately check on the derivative side of things. Okay, so crash 400. Price came back to this level down here, more or less this morning in Asia. You can see price had some sort of reaction. Price then flipped to a supply zone. Price pushing further to the downside. So there's nothing I can do here on crash. You guys can see it's all-time lows. And be mindful also, guys, like we are still waiting for more data on these pairs because like it's only been currently it's been about it's only been a month. It's only been a month. Range 100 price has not yet come back to this high up here, but initially the zone I will look for price to basically trade into will be the institutional point over here, which is 74,750. I want to just see quickly if I can go live on TikTok as well. We've been having some problems the last few weeks. Ooh, boom 500. Boom 550 at this high. Looking juicy. Oh, but the thing is, look at that 4-hour close though. And also it's all-time highs. I'm so scared it pops back above. So I would rather wait on price to potentially break below this low over here. If you can break below this low over here, then I will have more confidence in the trade because I can see then there's more characteristics of a downtrend picking up. And then boom 600. Price never came back to that high that we wanted, and as you can see, price just moved. It moved about 750 pips. So we missed out on that. Volatility over crash. Price also at all-time lows. Nothing we can do here. Boom 900. Okay, interesting. My only thing is, if price potentially reacted off that high, then I would take it. So I want to see it trade up a bit more, and I'm also seeing institutional level here, which is 9,800. Sorry, I'm just Okay, then boom 550. I don't buy boom, so this is all-time low. It's not even gonna bother. Same with crash. I can't sell it. Crash 600. Boom 450. I don't trust this either as yet. I don't trust this either because no lower low was made at this point. So yeah, not really much on the terminal side of things, except for that boom for 550. We're expecting prices to break below that low, so just gonna keep an eye on it and wait. Um, can we go live? Okay, and we are live on TikTok as well. Sia Peasy, welcome man. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. I'll be very aggressive for this trade. The moment we go 1-to-1, I'm gonna minimize the risk. It like literally, even if we just have a closure on the 1 minute above that level. Let's see something here quickly. Okay. Yeah, you guys missed out on my rant yesterday. Yo, I went off yesterday. Let's see what's happening. Okay, so crash 500 also coming back down. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Let's just check what's happening on the forex side of things. Big Jeff, hello, hey Mian, hope you're doing well, my brother. How you doing? And welcome. Don't worry, man. I'm also on it. The rest of the synthetic stuff should be released, if not Sunday, latest next Tuesday. Because I have to use a whole new platform to basically do it. Because looking at gold over here, we have a nice seek and destroy. You can see price sweeping below that level over there. I just want to mark out a few things on gold over here. This is the weekly open. You can see a nice rejection over there. However, no break above or below the level as yet. So we are literally still you can say trapped in the range. However, with the sweep below this level, that indicates something good to me in regards to our weekly structure. Great news. Well, wait, I'm a bit confused now. Oh, yes, great news. Yes, man. Sorry, man. My mind's working overtime. This was Friday's low over here, was also swept, and then let me just see, but no higher high was made over there at that point, unless you look at that as the higher high. I'm still busy with rugby, so I'm off the charts for now. Just coming to check in. Hey, man, we appreciate that, man. We really appreciate that. The support goes a long way. Jeff, can you get a fair value gap inside supply demand zone? It depends. It depends on how you look at it. Why I say that? Let's quickly look for an example here. Just look for the 4 hour. Okay, so look here, let's maybe use this point here on top. So that this would be your supply zone, right? That'll be your supply zone at that all-time high on Nasdaq. So if you look into it, you would see that that's the level of supply on the 4 hour. This is exactly where it started. But now if you look deeper into it, inverse, you have a fair value gap there, an inverse fair value gap. And then you also have a normal fair value gap over here in this range. So it all depends on how you look at it. So this is why I remember last time when we did our session where I said to you on a higher time frame, I basically always see it as imbalances, and I only look for fair value gaps when I look to enter my trades on the 1 minute, 3 minute, or the 5 minute. So you'll see, for instance, almost all the trades I took here was based off fair value gaps. So you'll see over here as well that low. You'll see over here was based on this inverse fair value gap. But then obviously there's this crash if you look at it like this. And this is also why you have all these spikes happen, now that I actually think of it. Because now if you really look at it, you have that's a fair value gap right there. Just want to give you an idea real quick. That's a fair value gap right there. That's another one right there. That's another one right there. So that's already like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a lot, you know. Now obviously you don't want to look at it in that sense. So you always try and simplify it. That's why I use the inverse. Perfect. Perfect. Hey, Ole. Ole, thank you for the follow, man, and welcome to the family. Welcome, man, welcome. Glad to have you here. Jeff, we can't see your whole screen, bruh. Yeah, sorry, Nico. I must get used to it. To drag the chart more out this way for you guys. I must get used to it. Sorry, man. It's not also like the thingy on... like you'll see if I go to, you'll see if I do this, if I'm in the normal trading view, then it's like it's more normal for me to use it because I'm used to using it. Then it's more normal for me to look at things like in this sense. But yeah, I must just get used to like pulling the chart. Like instead of me walking like directly in the middle of the chart, I must just get used to walking a bit more like with this space over here. Understand what I'm trying to say? So I must just it's like I said, it's my second day on the new layout, so it's gonna take some muscle memory, you know. When you work the left, it's gonna be going next. Yeah, I also realized it yesterday when I peeked over. So my apologies, guys. My apologies. I will get used to it. I will get used to it. Okay, so we are on gold still, talking about this. So you can see yesterday, price sweeping the high and low, sweeping yesterday's low, Friday's low. Oh, it would have been nice if they haven't swept the Asian high yet. It would have been nice if they didn't sweep the Asian high yet. Let's see. DXY. Okay, so same thing over here. Price hasn't really broken. In fact, it broke to the downside. So to me, now there's nothing I can do here. I need to see DXY trade all the way down towards this demand zone I left here with NFP. So we can see currently as well, Asian low swept, Asian high swept. This is weird how DXY and gold's moving. Very, very weird. Okay, so they haven't swept this low yet. Asian high is untested. Nah, it's looking a bit too choppy for me, man. I wonder if Shaquille fixed the indicator. He didn't fix it yet. Oh, boom, almost at that level. Boom, almost at that level. Cause no here, look, cause no here. Just a heads up there. Also, guys, quickly to a quick ad break. If you guys want to trade with a broker that gives you zero spread on your trading, especially like forex and things like that, this is the broker to use. So literally just click on this link and then open a zero spread account. And then when it comes to prop firms, if you want 35% off, wait, let me do it like this, damn it. Let me do it like this. So zero spread account if you trade forex, or if you trade Nasdaq, gold, things like that. Oh. Okay, and then there's a prop firm code for you as well, 35% off your challenges. Okay, we're gonna minimize that risk now. Boom, almost at that high. A little pullback there on crash. Okay. Andres, hey bro. Hey Andres, hope you're doing well, man. Hey Yan, thank you for the follow and welcome to the family. How you doing, Andres? How long have you been trading, my brother? What happened to our other broker? They don't want to give us zero spread accounts. To be honest, funny enough, I'm actually wearing the shirt right now. But no, man, like I told you guys that I'm not affiliated with any brokers. I'm literally just referring you guys to two brokers. If you want a broker with a bonus that's actually tradable, HFM also you can do it there. And then also if you want to trade, I don't know, I've never traded them, but they have, what do they call it? What do they call it? I can't remember what it's called now. I don't know what it's called. But the idea with them also is like, the idea with them was to start an office. But then it's like, they don't seem serious to start an office. You know. So, wait a minute. Andres, my brother. Sorry, man. Did you not hear me? There we go. I think it should be fixed now. Yeah, I must say TikTok people are insane, bro. They smash those likes. Yo, they smash those likes. Yeah, Nico, like even if you look at the Rev account, ne, look how tight that spread is. Look how tight that spread is. You know, so I'm trading both accounts with him with the Rev now with a zero spread and a normal account, trying out two different things. But bro, like, I can't deal with spreads, man. I can't deal with spreads. My thing is, for instance, name. Let's say, for instance, I had a pending order here at this level. Let's say I had a pending order exactly over here. Now, let's say, for instance, the spread on the account is, let's say, something like this. Let's say the spread is this tight. Let's say the spread is this tight. Yeah. So now, obviously, now, can't I? Oh, I can't do that. Damn it, man. Okay, let me do this. Let me do this. Let me do this. Let me do this. Let's say the spread is this tight. Yeah. Let's say that's the spread. So now price moves. What's gonna happen when it gets here? I'm gonna be tapped in if price moves all the way there. You see, I'm gonna get tapped in. Now what happens is if you trade on with the account that has a massive spread. Now price moves. Now it taps here, for instance. It doesn't activate your trade because price has to move all the way there for your price to activate. And my thing is, ne, yeah, understand you can put your limit slightly above the level as well for something like that, where maybe you potentially execute here then. But the thing is, ne, it's not much pips, ne. It might not mean a lot to you, but it means the world to me. You understand? You understand what I'm trying to say? And then the other thing is, then spreads also do this. Spreads open on you. I don't smoke that. If I want to execute at the price I want to execute at, with no. Yeah, you see, Nico, and I can literally show you. I can literally show you chats. Look here, ne? I asked XM, do you guys have zero spread? He's like, no, it's not good for you. Low spread, no commissions. Here is a chat from a broker, someone who runs a broker, and tells me that I must refer you guys, ne, because it's not good for me if you guys trade zero spread, because I'm not gonna receive commissions. I don't give a fuck about commissions. I don't give a fuck about commissions. I make my money with trading. Commissions are nice, yes. Commissions are nice. Maybe let's say for instance, you know, you have to buy electricity. You know, but now let's say your commissions are there. Let's say there's a 300 rand. Why not just use that money instead of your own pocket? And I'm trying to say that's a good way to potentially fund the business long term with a lot of clients and things like that. But my thing is, I'm not gonna give you guys cut conditions just so I can make commission, because that will mean that I'm doing the exact same thing other people are doing. You understand what I'm trying to say? I sound like a hypocrite because I'm wearing the fucking t-shirt right now, ne? I actually feel like a hypocrite for doing that, ne? But here's my thing, ne? I'm just wearing it, ne, because I'm at home. But you guys, understand what I'm trying to say? I can even show you with I'm not sure if I spoke to her about it. I asked them. I asked her. Are there zero spread slash low spread accounts? They're like, yes, ultra low accounts. I'm like, that's not fucking a zero spread. I even okay. Let me see if I Okay, and I'm not sure if I spoke to him regarding it on text or via a call. Nah, I didn't. But yeah, but you can understand what I'm trying to say. I'm not like that. I'm not gonna do that. I don't need and also, look here. If you guys don't believe me, let me show you guys something. To show you. But now the thing is, I must not be able to get into my account quickly because it's saved on my phone, but it's not saved on my PC. I will log into my affiliates stuff for you guys, and I'll show you guys. I don't make money from commissions. I barely. I'll rather say this. I barely make money on commissions. So no one can say, "Oh, Javen's referring people to the broker. Oh, that's how he's paying his rent. Oh, that's how he's funding his lifestyle." You tell me after this if you can fund a lifestyle like mine met die bietjie geld. Yo guys, you know what? I want to expose so much. I really want to expose so much. But the time's not right yet. Hey, Abundance Queen, thank you for the follow, man. Welcome to the follow. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the follow. Oh, damn it, man. Look, see now, I must just figure out what my HFM password is now. I'm very what's the word? I'm very paranoid, so I never use the same passwords. Okay, I think I got it now. Okay, guys, we're gonna manage a trade now. Sorry, man. I'm just trying to log in here quickly. Vaultbox also taking very long. Vault is taking so long. Vault is taking so long to load. Why can't I log into my account? Okay. How do I see now my total commissions? Okay, let me show you guys this. And then you tell me now, you tell me whether I'm fucking people. So this is my affiliates area at HFM name. You can see I've referred 11 clients here. They traded 51 lots. They've traded 51 lots. 51 lots. Let me show you. Okay, let me do this, 51 times 150. This is how much he would get paid more or less as a normal IB if people traded those cuck accounts with spreads, then I would have made 7.6. This is how much so this is not the total commission now, but this is for October. This is how much. So I have no commission for this month so far. September, this is how much commission I made September. $14. $14. $240. August, I made how much? No wait, sorry. September last month I only made $3. I made $3 commission. August I made $14. So in the last two, in the last 2 months, with HFM, I've only made $17 in commissions compared to. And you understand what I'm trying to say? So why would I be? Hey guys, het baat eens ek try myself explaining. Want mensen gaan nog steeds gescamd worden. People will still not come learn. People will still, you know. But there we have it, guys. Price broke above that level. We're going to minimize the risk here. 7.4 pip stop. Hey, Jojo Coco, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the family. And then you must also know what I just showed you guys, né? Now you can go question anyone else who works with a broker and has an affiliate link, né, and ask them to show you their commissions. You'll see that they make much more than me, but then you must ask them, okay, now show us the client's accounts. Show us the client's accounts, and you will see. You will see how people blow their accounts. If you notice my thingy there, if you notice my dashboard there now, we had 11 clients. They made 1,800 rand in total deposits. Yet they traded 51 lots. Now you tell me on such a small amount of deposits, name. How are you trading that amount of lots, name? If you're not profitable. Because otherwise then the account should have blown already. Think about it this way. You can't throw 10 lots on a 1.8. That's people who have deposited, made money, withdrawn, and never deposited again. Whereas other people, yeah, like I said, guys, I can expose a lot of shit, but I told myself I'm not gonna do that anymore. At least not now. The time's not right. Kanye says, wait till I get my money right. And people will see. Mark Martins, afternoon Jeff, hope you're good. One thing I noticed on synthetics, respect zones and areas far better than Forex pairs, hey? Mark Martins, there you have it, my man. These pairs, bro, there's a reason why I love them. There's a reason why they're my babies. There's a reason why they're my babies. Yo, guys, I can really show you guys some shit, hey. Yo. I can show you guys some shit. But like I said, man, the time's not right yet. Time's not right yet. Yo, like I literally have a drive full of evidence. Oh, yeah, I want to check something out. Uh, Russia, Israel. Um. Oh, so this is not a joke. So this is really not a joke. Did you guys see this? So Russia's apparently urging its citizens to leave Israel immediately. Now here's my thing. If you run a country, or let's say a war, whatever the case, like you can't kill your own people. So what do they do? What do they know that we don't? You know, the only thing I can imagine is it's warning the people to get out of there because shit's gonna go down, 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 and that will mean gold's gonna pump, 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 pump. So it's sitting in that dip, in my opinion. Gold sitting up that dip to start dropping. I mean, to start rising. I will say a lot of people laughed at that guy, Robert Kiyosaki, the guy from Rich Dad Poor Dad. He said gold's gonna go to $3,000. He said it's gonna go to $3,000 a long time ago, and literally, gold has moved. I just need to go charge my phone quickly because I'm gonna have to hit the road soon. Okay, guys, we've been live for about an hour, and seems like we have some. Well, yeah, we basically minimized our risk. Once we can have price go another half, with like I would say, if price can just go here. Let me do it like this. That'll be the break-even level. So once price hits that point, I'm gonna go break even on the trade for a risk-free position. But also I will update you guys on the Discord how things are going. And also, if you have not yet joined the Discord, here's a link. Make sure you join. Nice play, Takashi. Thank you for the follow, man. Welcome to the family. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna say we call the stream there for now. We took a nice trade here, nice entry, 0 drawdown. So let's see how it plays out and see if we can potentially catch this move for 119 pips. Let's see. So only thing now is patience. So I'll see you guys in the Discord, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.